morning, early morning in Orlando. We are heading off to Disney Springs. We've then got some pool time planned and Hollywood Studios this afternoon. So today we were trying a new route. We'd noticed on Google Maps that a new road had been opened up that was a shortcut to Disney. So we were going to give it a go for the first time today. So this road should take us the back ways through Disney. So this takes...
This is what I'm thinking.
This is what we were looking on Google Maps. This avoids the whole of the 192. I quite like driving different places like this as well because you get to see some of the little local houses. Because I think this is all quite new, isn't it? These roads round the back. So what's that? Oh, they're local houses. They're all quite diddy, aren't they? They're almost like large trailers, aren't they? In some ways. You know, like when you have like the permanent fixed trailers.
Yeah.
Imagine having palm trees in your back garden. I wonder how many of these sort of local people that live so close as well do actually work in some form of tourist kind of jobs. Yeah, that's what I mean. Yeah, you can tell how new this all is, can't you? Oops. I wonder if we'll sort of like enter Disneyland sort of property soon. So we're turning right in a minute onto Western Way.
Goes over the main road, look.
Yeah, I wonder if that's the toll road, the 429.
Might be.
500 yards, turn right, Western Way.
I think anything in some ways to avoid the 192
Remember the back road we used to do last time?
Yeah.
Past where the front of Margaritaville.
Yeah, I think I can see the Disney gates ahead. I wonder if they've had to put new ones. I wonder if this is all completely new. Because obviously we're coming on a road behind us. It's a dead end because it's still being built.
Yeah.
So these must be brand new Disney gates that they've had to put in. What do you think? It must be if this is a brand new road.
Oh, they've done it exactly the same.
That's what I mean. This is a brand new road because we've just joined it onto a road that's still being built. That's quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because there's some.
normal one doesn't have the castle.
Yeah, it does, sweet. Yeah. Any gators in there, Lou? Yeah, so they must do this every time you enter sort of like Disney property. It's a little welcome. That's quite cool actually, because you do sort of wonder sometimes. You want to go down World Drive because you want to go through the gates, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have literally, if that's the back of like Rafiki's Planet Watch and all that over there, according to Google Maps, yeah, we've come the complete other way around Animal Kingdom.
It's all the resort area, isn't it?
Yeah, do you know this makes sense to come to Disney this way, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I mean, yesterday we wanted to do it because we wanted to go down World Drive, but this way is so much easier. How long have we been in the car?
Well, it was
10 minutes?
It was past 10 past when we left the garage.
Yeah.
You were probably 5 minutes.
I popped into concierge.
So probably 10 minutes has been.
Yeah, this makes more sense. There's Typhoon Lagoon down there. Yeah, there's been loads of work since we've been down, because loads was being built around here, wasn't it? All the roads and that.
He's obviously gone.
What's that? Oh, yeah, Disney Quest. Was that in the middle of being taken down when we were there? Yeah, I like Disney Quest. Yeah, I like Garage.
Just about it. Oh, here we go. I think level 3 we should go for.
Okay. I do like in the garage actually they make it quite simple with the green lights so you can see which ones are free. It does make it a lot easier rather than people just keep circling. So this is going to be Disney Springs at 20 to 11 in the morning on a Saturday. They might have some cute Disney stuff though in Keels. Yeah, I know what you mean. Oh, I would like one place I would like to go is why can I never remember Uniqlo? We're giving out maps.
Do you want another one?
No, we've got one, thanks.
You want to take the thingy?
She said parks.
Sorry?
I've never seen them give out maps before. Maybe because it's Saturday morning. Yeah.
I'm feeling hungry.
I'm feeling hungry now as well. I think that when you're somewhere where you've constantly got food smells as well, though, it makes you feel hungry.
Yeah.
Or am I looking in the Oakley shop?
Okay. Well, because you haven't spent enough on sunglasses yet this year.
Yeah.
I'm sure you've kept Oakley going in the UK. Oh, there's you, Nicola. Do you know, I really want to try something on my bucket list this summer are the poutine fries. I'd really, really like to try them. I don't like the sound of fries with the curd cheese and the gravy, but everyone says they're amazing. That is really cool.
It's up there.
Imagine getting like a space mountain.
Yeah, or you could do your own things to it in some ways, couldn't you? You could even do it like Everest and add trees and things. So the question is Starbucks or Joffrey's? No, over here.
Right. Just the coffee, it'll be a very close call. Probably Joffrey's.
Yeah, I would choose Joffrey's as well.
If it was a cake as well, I'll say but. If it was a cake as well, it would have to be Joffrey's.
Yeah, oh.
Their donuts are so similar to Donut Bank.
Their donuts are amazing, I agree. We need to make sure we get a few Joffrey's in before we go. Oh, it's Holly's in the press penny. Holly?
Holly?
There's a press penny machine.
Sorry, Rita.
Holly? A press penny's a bit like you with Pokemon.
No.
You gotta catch them all. What's the temperature today, Aid?
Sorry?
What's the temperature? It feels a bit cooler. It feels really nice.
It's about 88.
About 88.
But I need to have a check on that.
It feels nicer than it did yesterday morning. Here we go. I am so ready for this.
They've done it up.
No, it's the same as it was last time. Does it? And this is going to be lunch today. Do you think it really is the world's greatest hot sandwich? It is busy, isn't it? Oh, well done. I'll take it in a sec. Oh, Louis, what about trying something different like that?
No, I like the wrap.
Yeah, you sure? You don't fancy trying something different? Lou, did you want to have a look to see what you're having? I go for the holiday sandwich every single time. It's amazing. Hey, there's a French dip that we spoke about you trying.
Really?
$7.99 each, and we got pass holder discount as well. There's some little areas now with the water fountains for the kids to splash in next to Earl of Sandwich. And we always get the free water as it saves quite a bit of money. You got our lunch. Yay! Oh,
really hot.
no, that must be yours. You've got the French dip.
What, do I dip it myself?
Yeah. Otherwise it would just run out, wouldn't it? Wine went through as well. That looks amazing. Holly's got tuna. I've got the best sandwich in the world, the holiday. Aid's got the French dip. That's like a broth almost to dip it into. And Louis got the buffalo chicken. We've all been defeated by Earl of Sandwich.
I haven't.
Did you eat oil? She left some wrap.
It's the end of a wrap because there's so much sauce in it. I didn't want to eat the
So
wrap.
you didn't eat all?
Louis, what are you doing right now?
Supporting my nation, unlike you.
Louis watching the England-Belgium match while sat in Earl of Sandwich.
These ones aren't as fun because you don't get to try.
Oh, is it just a push?
And there's more.
Are there? There are more choices. Are they? They're not the same as what we've already got, though, are they?
I love the
Yeah, I think this one was meant for me. The children have gone off for a wander. That mug would be so perfect for Louis. He always does that, doesn't he? Oh, is it? Oh, I thought it was a mug.
I do. What is?
Oh, they make your own candles. Should we wander through here? That is so cute. Little monorail bag. I thought it was a shoulder bag originally, but it's got wheels on it. Don't really want it for the wheels. I just love the colours on that as well.
Cutlery up there.
Oh yeah, we've got that already, haven't we? Table looks nice. Oh, actually, usually we buy a utensil or something, don't we? Got cutlery last time. Not fussed with those. No, cutlery last time, salt and pepper last time. What are we going to get this time? Oh, they're nice. Yeah. We've got so many bits and pieces like that though, haven't we? So how much? 170? 160. You're not tempted?
No. If it was the
Absolutely love the dresses in here. There's just no way I would ever fit into one. Oh, look at this one with the orange. That is so sweet. That really is a work of art, isn't it? That's so cool. It's quite a lot busier now, isn't it? 12:30. It feels really hot as well. Which way are we going? We're just carrying straight down?
I think it's this way.
Did you want to pop into Keels, Holly?
Yeah, Keels.
While we're going past? Yeah, did you want to? We are leaving Disney Springs 2.5 hours later, and the garage where we've just come out of is now full, so it's definitely got busy. We would really recommend this shortcut. It was actually only 3 miles and it takes about 6 minutes in total and cuts out the whole of the 192. Definitely worth checking it on Google. This is how new the road is here. Look, you can see it doesn't go any further. See what I mean?
No, it wouldn't. I've just spent so much money.
Well, we do have other beauty treatments for you.
Have we got the right door this time?
I got some toothpaste.
See, look, ours does have privacy as well. Yeah, we've got the right one.
Main entrance of Disney's Hollywood Studios.
Holly was the rebel spy. Yeah, so this is the new entrance to Midway. Oh, it was Midway Mania. It's now called Toy Story Mania. Holly doesn't want that one. The box is damaged. She says it's in semi-mint condition. On a mission for the perfect mouse droid.